My favorite aspect of the Women in the Arts program, and particularly for veterans, is probably just the knowing that someone had the thought to even do it. Like, I feel such gratitude to the people who support the idea that veterans have served, and often we go away from that with a moral injury, if you will. When I engage in a program that is literally for just women veterans, there's definitely a different feeling, because you know you're sort of at home. You're with a chosen family, you have similar circumstances and experiences, and for me, I'm very secure emotionally in my transition and my work in the military and civilian, but I feel that there's an opportunity for someone in that group to maybe not feel so grounded or secure, and I know that I can be there for them. If I had an issue with something that might come up, I would feel supported as well. When you're invited to engage in a women's veteran program, or like your Mosaic program, which is open to family members as well, you really have an opportunity again to connect with people who have had similar experiences. And there's never questions being asked about your service, just that, where did you serve? And some people will share more than others, but you can remain very autonomous, and if you're an introvert, you can be an introvert. If you're an extrovert, you can be an extrovert. There's no judgment, there's just connection. Again, because we all share a common denominator, we're all family. We just haven't met yet. So I love meeting other veterans and hearing their stories, their experiences, and where they gravitate in terms of where they're at with making art. So I would share that if you are a generous person in the arts and you feel that you want to make a broad impact on the healing of souls, the generosity of people who give to that aspect of life is very critical, I feel, to the health and well-being of our nation, and just collectively that we can say we honor the arts as medicine. I really appreciate that, people do give generously to help these programs continue.